Good day, Mr. Senator. Every day, thousands of students walk into classrooms carrying challenges that textbooks alone can't solve. Hunger, untreated health needs, and housing instability, and also chronic stress. Research shows that 2/3 of student achievement outcomes are influenced by out-of-school factors. Yet, our schools are expected to tackle them alone. My name is Kevin Agee, and I'm with Advocacy for Transforming Education. And our mission is to help districts across New York State expand community schools that connect students, families, and local partners to drive success. Traditional public schools are doing their best, but they operate in isolation from the very agencies designed to help families thrive. When students lack access to health care, stable housing, or consistent nutrition, learning takes a back seat. Chronic absenteeism rises, achievement gaps widen, and teachers are left to fill roles that extend far beyond instruction. This issue affects not only students, but entire communities. Parents struggling to engage, teachers burning out, and local services underused because the systems aren't aligned. The urgency is clear. Post-pandemic recovery has amplified inequities. And without structural solutions, we risk losing an entire generation of potential. Our objective is simple but transformative: to make community schools a core strategy for addressing the barriers that hinder learning. Success would mean every child has access to integrated supports, healthcare, mental health services, expanded learning, and strong family engagement, all within their school environment. For district leaders, this is not just a moral imperative, it's a strategic one. Community schools strengthen attendance, improve academic outcomes, and enhance family trust, aligning directly with our shared goals of student achievement and equitable opportunity. The community school model is built on 4 evidence-based pillars. The first one is integrated student supports. That's where on-site access is provided for physical and mental health, tutoring, and social services. The second is expanded learning opportunities, where after-school and summer programs are tied to academic and personal growth. The third is family and community engagement. That's where parents and local partners get involved in strategic and shared decision-making. The fourth is collaborative leadership and governance. Teachers, families, and community partners co-design solutions for community schools. Our proposal is to pilot community schools in high-need districts using state and district-level grants to establish strong models for expansion. This approach minimizes disruption to existing structures while building the funding for district-wide adoption over time. Community schools are not an experiment. They're a proven investment. A 2017 study found that well-implemented community schools improve attendance, raise graduation rates, and strengthen students' social and emotional well-being. Compared to piecemeal reforms, community schools create a cohesive system that addresses the whole child, academically, socially, and physically. And unlike temporary initiatives, they build sustainable partnerships between schools and local organizations. Some people across the state may worry about costs. However, funding streams already exist. The full funding service for community schools program and several state grant opportunities are actively supporting school districts, and they were passed within the very state legislature that you work in. Community schools transform schools from isolated institutions into community centers that become places where learning and well-being go hand in hand. By supporting this initiative, you're not just funding a program, you're investing in a model that redefines how schools serve students and families. Together, we can build schools that truly meet the needs of every child and their family. Thank you for your time and for your continued commitment to educational equity in the state of New York. Have a great day.